Hello guys, welcome to Coding Cafe. My name is Mohammed Ali and let's start this Uber clone application. So first of all, as you know that we will be using Android Studio as an IDE, so we need to create a brand new Flutter project. So you can just click on this one, which is start a new Flutter project. Just click on it and it will open this dialog box. From here you can select Flutter application, and then after selecting the Flutter application you can click on next, and after clicking on next, here we have to write the name of project name. So it will be, first of all, we will start from the rider app, so give it name as rider underscore app. Okay, the name must be in small English alphabets and try to avoid extra spaces. Okay, then if the Flutter SDK path is not selected automatically, then you can do so by navigating to your Flutter SDK. That is, for example, in my case, I have placed my Flutter SDK folder on my desktop. Okay, so that is why it is here. So I mean, wherever you have your Flutter SDK is, you can just navigate to that and select it by clicking here. Okay, so I have already selected it. It is on my desktop, and this is the Flutter SDK folder in which all the necessary file it contains for the Flutter SDK. So anyways, now then the project location, that is where you want to store your project, and then some description about this application if you want to write about it. So yeah, that's it. Now you can just click on next. But you can give package name to your application. So like in my case, it select by default that is com.mohammedali.riderapp. Okay, in your case you can just remove this. In case here you can write your own name, that is, let's say for example your name is John or whatever, so it will be displaying here, or you can change it to whatever you like, just like this. Okay, for example, let's say john.riderapp. Okay, so you can do it like that. This is the package name, just to keep it unique. Okay, so mohammedali.riderapp, and once you do this, then make sure that all these three are selected, and then you can just simply click on this finish button. So it is going to create our brand new Flutter Rider app project. So here we go. Here you can see it. So the new project has been created here. You can see it here. And now, first of all, in order to check that is whether the application has been created successfully or not, so obviously we will test it on the iPhone simulator as well as on the Android emulator. But before doing that, here you can see we have this, by default there is some code here on our main.dot file. If you extend this rider app, then here you will see that we, inside the lib folder, we have this main.dot file which contains this default code, well, and this default class which is my home page. For now we can just remove this whole, okay, up to here, and also remove this. And now this is void main, and this is our class my app, which ends here. Let's remove these comments from here, and also let's remove these comments. And now we are going to make a directory, a folder inside our this lib folder. So you can just right click on this lib folder, and then you can simply click on new, this lib new, and then click on this package. Now here we have to write name for our this new package, or you can say new folder. So let's give it name as all screens and press enter. So here you can see the new folder has been created here, the new package, and then right click on this all screens package, and now we are going to add our first page, or you can say first screen, in this all screens directory. So right click on the all screens new, and then click on dot file, and now let's give it name as main screen. main screen and then press enter. So here you can see it. Main screen dot file has been created inside this all screens folder. Here you can see it. So now first of all on our main screen, let's import the material dot and now let's create our first stateful widget, which is this one, new stateful widget, and let's give it name as main screen, just like this. Here you can see it. Okay, so inside our main screen stat, let's add a scaffold widget quickly. So we can say return scaffold, and now we will add first of all an app bar to it. So we can say app bar, and then let's give title to it using the text widget. We can say main screen. Okay, just like this. And now let's go back to our main.dot file, and here we have to specify the home root. So we can just remove this my home page, and here we can call, so we can call here our main screen. Okay, here you can see it, and here you can see it automatically imported, which is on the main screen.dot file. Okay, this main screen class, here you can see it. So that is really nice. Now so let's test the application. First of all, we will test it for the on the Android emulator. So you can just click here on this AVD manager, and from here I have already created a virtual device, which means an Android emulator. Okay, so I will just click on it, and it is now going to open the Android emulator. So the emulator is opened here successfully. Here you can see it, and now let's just close this, and now you can just simply click on this play button, and let's wait for it. For the first time when you test the application, it will take some 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, depend upon on your system requirements, that is your RAM, your graphics, and on that, which simply means that if your computer is powerful, then it will not take that much time. So the app has been installed successfully on the Android emulator, and here you can see it. It is running successfully. And here you will see this small badge which says debug. In order to remove it, here below the home you can just write debug show check mode banner. Okay, debug show check mode banner, and make it false. And now you can just save all, and it will do the hot restart. If I show you, then here you can see it. The hot restart has been done successfully, and the debugged badge has been removed successfully. The thing is to test the application on iOS simulator. So let's just close this and open the iPhone simulator. So you can just click here, and here you will see the iPhone iOS simulator. Just click on it, and here we go. This is our iPhone SE. And now let's just click the play button in order to install the app on iPhone SE simulator. So the app has been installed successfully on our iPhone SE simulator. Here you can see it. So yeah, that's it. So see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.